Miguel, what is this? What do you call this? Train. Are you happy?
Orange train.
Orange train. Very good. Are you happy? Miguel? Are you happy?
Yes.
Opo. I love you. Flying kiss muna.
Bakit?
Paano magalit si Papa?
Si Miguel.
Paano smile ni... Oh, paano smile ni Miguel? Paano pag-cute ni Miguel?
Cute.
Very good. Hi, Lola. Miguel. Miguel, hi. Lola Bessie, hi. Nandito po kami ngayon sa SM Lipa. Hi. Gusto niya daw pong magsakay sa train. Kaya ito, sakay si Miguel sa train.
Dahil pala ka nandyan at siya ang lagi ng picture.
Wow! Are you happy, Miguel? Miguel? Hi! Flying kiss muna! Wow! Para kaming namamasyal sa... Diba? Happy lang!
Sexy.
Wow! Hi, Miguel! Hi, Miguel! Wow! Cakes! Wow! Wow! So nice! Love it! Zagu! Wow!
Sinamit si Gato.
Oxygen! Havaianas! Watch Republic! Bench! Hi, Miguel! Wow!
Train.
What?
Train.
Rain. Super girl. Sino? Ang cat. Gano'n kay pande-pande. Cat nga naman.
Wow! Hi, Kat! Say hi na, hi! Bye-bye, Kat! Hi!
Ang bagay doon. Saan?
Bread top.
Yes. Si Panda. Hi, Panda.
Hi! Hi!
What? Okay. Jollibee.
Wow, DQ! House of Lasagna. Hi! Hey, Miguel! Chat time! Peppermint!
KFC.
What's that?
KFC.
KFC! What's that, Miguel? The next one.
Next one. Jollibee.
What's that? Very good. Picture taking. With bear, pink bear. Tokyo. Say hi, cat. Hi, go hi. Hi, cat. Thank you.
Nag-appear ka sa kit.
Hug. Hug mo na si Panda. Si Bear, hug mo na, hug. Hug.
95%.
Pag nasa baba tayo, gusto mo pumunta. Hug ka na, hug. Hi. High five. Hold mo ba? Hold. Hold mo, hold.
One more daw, one more.
Yay!
Nakatalipod ka.
Yay! Yay!
One more daw, one more.
Yay!
Nakatalipod ka.
Yay! Yay!